My name's Justin. I'm from a company called Grosvenor Motor Company, based in Reading. We're an independent BMW specialist. We've been trading since 1989, and I'd like to think we're one of the biggest in Europe. So we've been using ECU testing for about 5 years. Some of those more expensive units to repair, some of the BMW ABS units are around the £2,000 mark from the dealer. But when we get ECU testing to deal with them, it's probably about 25% of the cost to actually repair them. So they've been fantastic. They've really helped us over the years. It's quite a simple process. Everything we send off generally gets turned around in about a week. They just make everything quick and easy.